Well, hello viewers, and welcome once again to the home of beautiful cars. Amongst all these wonderful world-class exotics and supercars, we've got this incredible Mercedes that has just arrived. We just traded one of our beautiful classic cars. This is a one owner, one owner, with complete service history. E200 Mercedes, 2014 series AMG Line. Very rare. This is the AMG bodied car with panoramic sunroof, wonderful list of options, very low kilometres, car that's been absolutely loved. Only at the home of beautiful cars, a wonderful Mercedes-Benz AMG Line E200. Look at that. You won't find a car like this anywhere else in Australia. Only at the home of beautiful cars, under $35,000, finance and Australia-wide delivery. That is so beautiful.